so awesome, isn't it? That's right. This is my new 360-degree camera from GoPro. If you don't know already, I do a lot of GoPro videos, but they're from a stationary point. With this camera, allows me to do 360 degrees around. So while going down the track, I'll be able to pivot the camera where I need to. Isn't this awesome? Right now I'm standing in my garage, and as you can see, I can twist this thing all the way around the garage. Well, I can see any view just by keeping the camera in one position. That is so awesome. So anyway, yep, Christmas been good to me here, so especially at Ken's Corner. So that's one of the investments we did it for the channel, is try to get some of the best content I can on the track. So expect to see this camera on that car. It's kind of strange. But anyway, going to utilize this camera a lot, not only here in the race shop, my projects, on the track, also around the property. So I got some cool projects coming up around the house, stuff that I can't wait to show you. But those are months away. A lot of planning work is going to involve in that on those projects. So I can't wait to show you those projects. But if you follow me on Instagram, you'll be able to follow those projects along as well. Then when we release the videos, you'll be able to see my YouTube channel, how things were actually created and stuff. So anyway, with that, I'm still working on some projects around the house, and it's been really good. I hope you guys had a very good Christmas. I do appreciate anybody that subscribed to the channel. I really do appreciate it. We are growing slowly, but hopefully we keep growing as each year comes by. So, or each month comes by. Anyway, we're up about 430 subscribers right now. Yeah, it's a small subscriber count, but I'm hoping to keep growing that count up higher and higher. So do share and like this video, and tell people about my channel. So with that, wish everybody have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And come next year, hopefully I'll be started on the projects we have here in the race shop on the car. So with that, until next year, so take care, guys.